Look at the gold, see how it shines between the notes and the written lines. An instrument waits for a hand to guide with a rhythm of healing deep inside. We're more than a name on a black and gold page. We're the light breaking through on a darkened stage. This is the sound of the Barnett soul, turning the broken back into the whole, with strings that vibrate and spirits that soar. We're opening up every locked away door in the shimmer of notes and the logo's grace. We've found our purpose and found our place. Jennifer's harmony, Jimmy's design, the way that our talents begin to entwine. The music isn't just something you hear, it's the medicine washing away the fear. From the YouTube search to the stage's light, we're singing the world through the middle of the night. High fidelity, heart on the sleeve, giving the people a reason to believe that a song could be shelter, a song can be home, no matter how far down the road we roll. This is the sound of the Barnett soul, turning the broken back into the whole, with strings that vibrate and spirits that soar. We're opening up every locked away door in the shimmer of notes, in the logo's grace. We found our purpose and found our place. Keep the music playing, keep the healing strong, where the gold never fades and we always belong. Songwriter, musician, healer. Healer.